auxiliary battery malfunction. You remove this cup holder. After I remove this cup holder, take out this panel. That's where the main battery is, and also the auxiliary. So this is the old battery, and this one is the new battery, replaced with the original battery. So this is the brand new battery, and this one is the old one. So we are replacing the old one and we're putting the new one. We've installed the new auxiliary battery. Now we are fitting the main battery. The main battery, first you connect the positive and last the negative. Yeah, it's all done. We are putting back battery cover. After fitting the battery, we are now starting the car for the first time to see if the auxiliary light will pop up. Here we go. No light. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos coming up. So next video we are going to service this beast. Thank you.